Hi, this is Northern Shop iChannel. We are here at North Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns, North Pyramid North. My brother, how do you feel about the game?
No, it was a nice game, man. You know what? All days are not Sundays, you know. It was a good game.
Yeah.
Despite some controversies on the referee, whatsoever, that's part of the game. Let's not blame anyone. You know.
Yeah.
All days are not the same. Yeah. So it was a nice game. I should say like that. It was a nice game. It was a nice game.
Yeah. Who impressed you today?
No, everybody in Sundowns, we tried so hard to push the game to get 3 points. Unfortunately, we didn't get them. So it's part of the game. I accept that it's part of the game.
Yeah. And then what's your message to your coach and your team, you know, going forward to the next round so that they can make sure that they cement their place on the law?
Okay, you know what? This game, this group seems to be a group of death. Now it has been identified as a group of death.
Yeah.
Looking at the first round, second round, this is the third round now.
Yeah.
It's been a group of death. So we don't have to be shivering. Of course, we're number one. Being number one is not about a joke. We played, and we're still playing. When we got to Egypt, let's just maintain our position. If we get a point there, it's nice. If we get the 3 points, it's nice, you know. That's a game. That's about how the game is, you know.
Thank you, my brother. All the best.
I just wish somehow, you know, to play like the way we play. We played so nice. There was no problem. We shouldn't blame anyone. Let's not talk about other people. Let's get our team.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.